Magandang umaga, Bicol University! Hello, pwede ba makikinig ng maska mong palakpakan? Parang ang hina, ha? Para warang energy. Isip pa nga, palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan! Parang hindi ko naririnig yung mga taga-Bio Pulangi, ha? Ayan. Sige, everybody, yung mga nasa likod, everybody, gusto ko pong marinig po ang palakpakan ng lahat ng mga estudyante, mga alumni po ng Bicol University! Wow! Thank you so much, everybody. Welcome po sa 57th BU Charter Day and General Alumni Homecoming with a team, 1 BU alumni, 1 family, and 1 humanity. So before we start our program, we will be having our game. But before that, I would like to acknowledge our colleges. Okay? Kapag natawag po ang iyong college, ayan, make some noise. Pwede kayong tumayo, pwede kayong magwala, pwede kayong pumalakpak. Okay. Sige, asan po ang mga taga-College of Education? Hala, tayo po tayo. Wow, parang may ano lang ha. Parang may eroplano lang sa taas na kumakaway. Sige, once again. Asan naman ito? College of Education! Yan, naghahanda pa po sila, guys. Medyo hindi pa sila ready. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Jesse M. Robredo, Institute for Governance and Development! Wait lang. Parang hindi pa nakahanda ito eh. Sige ba? And 1, 2, 3, go! Wait lang, may nakasama kayo mga nonchalant. Alright, I would like to acknowledge the presence of College of Industrial Technology. Wow, maraming salamat po. And of course, asan po ang mga taga-Institute of Design and Architecture? Ayan, bilang na bilang ko ha. 10 lang ha. Sana next year mas madami na tayo. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the College of Dental Medicine. Oy, thank you so much po. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the College of Medicine. Bakit hiwa-hiwalay kayo? Magkakaaway ba kayo? Ayan, hello po. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the presence of College of Arts and Letters. Wow! Wait lang. Isarado nyo muna. Mas maganda yung tatayo kayo. Bubuksan nyo para eksena. Sige, close mo ng umbrella. Everybody, once again, College of Arts and Letters! Oh! Hey! Wow! Iba. May papayong. Sige. Tignan natin kung ano naman yung pasabog ng iba. Eto, asa naman po ang mga taga-College of Engineering. Hello po, tayo po tayo. Ayan, hello po. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the presence of College of Nursing. Ayan, pwede po ba tayong tumayo? Once again, College of Nursing. Wow, thank you so much. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the BU Gubat Campus! Madami. Hello po. Kumusta po yung biyahe nyo? Ayan, ingat po tayo later sa pag-uwi ha. Thank you so much, Gubat Campus. And of course, eto na. Asan po ang mga College of Social Sciences and Philosophy? Hey! Wait lang. Upo muna tayo. Parang mas marami to. Pero mas maganda kung lahat kayo papalakpak at hihiyaw talaga. Once again, asan po ang mga College of Social Sciences and Philosophy? Wow. Tamang-tama, opening mamaya ng Pulang Anggi. Pwede kayo doon, nakapula kayo. Oo. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the College of Science. Ay, bongga may pa-props. Sige. Once again, College of Science! Hey! Wow, thank you very much. And of course, eto, madami-dami to. Saan ang mga taga-Bio? Tabako! Hey! Actually po guys, si Sir, Siya po yung pinakauna dito. Oo. Pangalawa po yung team ko. Thank you so much po, BU Tobacco. And of course, heto. Asan po ang mga taga-BU Ginubatan? Oy! Wow! Wow! Parang mas maganda yung sumasayaw-sayaw kayo, ha? Once again, BU Ginubatan! Hey! 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 Eto. Woo! Parang mawawalan ako ng boses dito, ha? Eto po, kung saan po ako galing. Umayos kayo dyan. O, ibaraba mo na mga burger. Ibaraba ang burger. Once again, the Bicol University, Polangi! Hey, hey! Headed by Dr. Mary Joy Katangi. Thank you so much. Ay, pagal.
May burger.
Sino gusto ng burger? Akin na, pambili. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Bicol University, University Student Council. Hello po. May mga hindi po ba ako natawag? Ayan. Oh, sorry na. Wait lang, ini-envy ko lang kasi si Madam kasi nandyan. Actually po, kapag nag-host talaga ako, kinakalimutan ko talaga yung IPSR. Oo. Once again, asan po ang mga taga IPSR? Hey! Nakakatakot yung pagiging dragon ni Madam Karina. Eto naman, syempre, isa ito sa pinakamalaking school, mga estudyante at mga alumni sa Bicol University, the College of Business, Economics, and Management! Wow! Woo! Pagalindo kabani. All right, at this point in time, before we start our program proper, we will be having our game. So our first game is the guess the title of the song. Okay? Sino ang mga music lovers? Sige, our first game is to guess the title of the song. Kapag narinig niyo po ito, ibig sabihin, sir, tama po ang iyong sagot. And of course, kapag narinig niyo po ito, ibig sabihin, mali
Ang sagot.
Mali ang magmahal ng tatlo. Alright, sige. And of course, kapag tama po ang inyong kasagutan, kayo po ay makakatanggap ng cash prize and regalo galing sa Bicol University! Palakpakan everybody. Come on. Let's play music number 1. Come on. Una-unahan! Oh, ito na. Nauna na. Woo! Grabe. Pangalan niyo po?
Jocelyn Serrano,
From what college?
College of Science.
College of Science, palakpakan naman! Ano po ang title? Can you dance like a dancing queen? DJ Muse, come on! Oh, lower! Come on! Oh! Halika dito, madam. Isigaw mo, title ng song.
Dancing Queen!
Tama ba? Kung tama, palakpakan nyo. O, anong problema ng mga hindi pumapalakpak? Hindi music lover? Congratulations! 100,000! At meron kang mini fan. Alam ko.
Para sa menopausal.
Para sa menopausal. Thank you so much. Ay. O ano ka mo? Ang lapit-lapit nyo, tapos hindi ko yung nag-iingay dyan. Play music number 2. Number 2, come on. Dito tayo. Diyos ko. Jack and Poy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jack. Alat lang, honey. Ready? Pose mo na, honey. Ready? Pose mo na. Ready? Jack and Poy. Upo ka. Alright. Pangalan?
Marisol Ortonio from College of Nursing!
May asawa na?
Isa lang.
Isa lang. Anak, ilan po ang anak?
5. Baog ang asawa ko.
Isus, palaban. Kaano-ano mo po si Dora the Explorer?
Actually, kakarating ko lang.
Nakarating niya lang. Anyway, anong title ng song?
Macarena!
Ano?
Macarena!
DJ, music, come on! Oh! Palaban. Title ng song?
Macarena!
Yung abot sa College of Nursing.
Macarena!
Jesus! Ang daming oxygen, ha?
Pati carbon dioxide.
Pati carbon dioxide. Macarena is correct! Wow!
Para sa ekonomiya.
O, para sa ekonomiya, palakpakan nyo naman. Huy! Huy! Congratulations! 100,000! At meron kang, pag ininitan si Pip, di ba? Come on! Talat. Asa yung camera? Ayun. Naka-live tayo sa BU page. O dito daw tayo, sabi ni Sir. Halika dito. Ginusto mo to, madam. O ito. Kunyari, hindi kita kilala. Kunyari, hindi ka namin kilala. Pangalan, taga saan? Go.
Karina Sales from LA, California.
Bako, napagal ka na. Lechon. Fried chicken. Anyway, anong title nating next song?
Billie Jean.
Ano?
Billie Jean!
Jesus! Ready? DJ Muse, come on! Oh! Wait lang, DJ. Parang si Dr. Bibi gustong sumayaw eh. Asa si Doc Bibi? Doon tayo, dito tayo. Doc Bibi, asan ba? Wala siya. Wala na. Nawala siya. Ayun. Ito si Sir Alex, ang ating president po. Come on. Sir Alex, come on. Woo! Para ganahan po. Palakpan po natin, everybody! Come on! Oh! Oh!
Ito ang virgin na Billie Jeans.
Kung siyang Virgin Villages, ikaw.
Override.
Anong title ng song?
Paano naman ikaw?
Ibubulganize. Anong title ng song, ma'am?
Billie Jean.
Billie Jean is correct! Congratulations, ma'am. 100,000. Ilaw dahil palaging brown out. Oh.
Okay na to, may pamasahin na pauwi.
Thank you so much, Madam Karina. Grabe kayo. Woo. Okay, point music number 4. Eto na. Pangalan niyo, dito sa sir. Pangalan niyo po?
Leonard Bulawan from Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development!
Bongga, pang barangay tanod ha. Pang barangay kagawad, pang barangay captain. Anong title ng song?
Hawak mo ang beat.
Ano?
Hawak mo ang beat!
DJ music, come on! Oh! Come on! Oh! Oh! Come on! Oh! Bongga host din. Title ng song.
Hawak mo ang beat.
Hawak mo with is correct! Ano gusto mong sabihin?
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Upo na po. Woo! Play music number 5. Come on! Sa likod! Come on! Oh, sa likod! Oh! Oh! Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Palakpakan nyo naman, oh. Pakilala. Kunyari, hindi ko kilala. Oh, sige, sige. Oh, ito din na. May nagreklamo. Nagreklamo, so override. Alright. Madam. Madam, happy? Happy. Madam, pakilala po. I-shout out mo yung mga kasama mo. Go!
From Bio Pulangi, Dauragon! Di mo ako kilala? Okay, from Bio Pulangi, Mary Joy Katangi.
Siya po ang dean po ng BU Pulangi. Palakpan po natin everybody. Come on! Anong title ng ating panglimang tugtog?
Lambada.
Yung abot sa Pulangi.
Dinay ka.
DJ Music, come on! Nung college po ako, siya po yung advisor ko po ng BU Dance Troupe. Bicol University. And of course, hindi po tayo papayag kapag hindi sasayaw si President. Gusto niyo ba sumay si President? Once again, Dr. Bibi. Come on, Doc Bibi. Eto na ang mag-amiga. DJ Music, come on! Oh! Come on, Doc Bibi. Oh! Pag Mr. and Mrs. ito ah. Diba? Thank you so much, Doc Bibi. Title ng song.
Lambada.
Lambar is correct! Congratulations! Whoop!
Thank you.
Welcome po. Thank you so much. Everybody at this point in time, we're going to start our program. Thank you so much. In 1 minute. Let's go, everybody, come on! Palakpakan naman yun, come on! Have a blessed morning, teaching everyone, and welcome to the celebration of fun, music, and memories. This is the 57th BU Charter Day and General Alumni Homecoming with the team, one BU alumni, one family, one humanity here at Busang Gymnasium. And of course, the organizer extending their happy gratitude for taking time to be part of this special event, especially po to those who traveled for summer months or to those who took a leave of absences. By the way, I am DJ Danrick of 102.7 FM Radio Polangi, your host. It is your celebration of fun, music, and memories. Alright, magandang umaga. Pwede ba makikinig ng masika mong palakpakan? Na may kasamang hiyawan. Parang, DJ, parang gusto ko yung papalakpak, sisigaw at tatayo ang lahat. Everybody in 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, to formally start our program, requesting everyone to please stand for the opening prayer through an audio-visual presentation, and it will be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Let's bow our heads and place ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Dear Lord, we stand before you in humble prayer before we start this program. We realize that without your blessings, we would not be able to succeed with the plans we have for this activity. Bestow your grace and divine wisdom to all of us present here, so we can cooperate and enjoy camaraderie and love for the greater good of your name. Bless also those who have left behind our homes. May you grant them peace and happiness as they go about their activities. Bless people around the globe that they may enjoy peace and the goodness of your love. We ask all these through your mighty name. Amen.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Ayan, mari na po tayong umupo. Once again, hello! Ang hina naman. Hello! Hi! Hep, hep! Alright, once again po, welcome po sa 57th BU Charter Day and General Alumni Homecoming dito po sa Bicol University College of Engineering Gymnasium. So at this point in time, tawagin na po natin, let's come now to our presentation of college delegation with Yell and Chant. Ayan, kapag tinawag po ang inyong mga colleges, pupunta po tayo sa taas para po kantahin or mag-chant po or kung anong presentation po ang gawin ninyo. Let's start with the College of Education. Come on, College of Education. Come on, College of Education. Meron ba kayong presentation? Come on, everybody, all College of Education. Taas po tayo for the presentation of Yell and Chant. Come on. Okay, sige po. Para po, ayan, sa lahat po ng College of Education, dyan na lang po tayo magpe-present po sa inyong table. Okay, pwede pabigyan po ng microphone po, guys. So everybody, pakinggan po natin ang presentation, Yale and Chant po ng College of Education! Ayan na, come on. Ayun, dami nila. Sila po ay naka polo shirt na blue. Ready? Be ready. Jesse Robredo, Institute for Governance and Development. You are the next. Ready? Ayan na. Nag-practice po sila ng 1 taon para po makapag-perform po ng kanilang yell and chant ngayon po sa 57th Charter Day. Are you ready? Ayan na. Once again, the College of Education.
Good morning, BU family. Are you ready? Are you ready? Give me a beat. We are Buse, Buse. We are Buse, Buse. Buse ka bugera, Buse ka bugera, Buse ka bugera. Who are we? We are. Thank you so much.
Palapan po natin ang College of Education. Wow, magandang panimula po yun ha. And now, tawagin na po natin ang Jesse M. Robredo Institute for Governance and Development. Come on, tayo na lang po tayo dyan. Ayan na.
Guys, kaya to guys! Wait lang.
Galingan nyo guys dahil meron po tayong award po or special award para po sa ating Best Yell and Chant Kada College. So galingan po natin. Are you ready? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, from Jesse M. Robredo Institute for Governance and Development.
1, 2, 3. Sa tahanan ni Robredo, mahal namin ito. Hindi magpapatalo, kami laging ganado. Dala ang prinsipyo ni Jesse M. Robredo, matapat, matino, mahusay at may puso. Administrador ng Pilipinas. Administrador ng Pilipinas. Administrador ng Pilipinas. Go, Robredo! Go, go, Robredo! Go, go! Robredo! Go, go, Robredo! Go, go! Robredo! Go, go, Robredo! Go, go, Robredo! Go!
Wow! Thank you so much, Jesse M. Robredo Institute for Governance and Development. And now, tawagin na po natin ang presentation coming from the College of Industrial Technology. Hala, may pa-speaker sila. Mayaman. Come on. Be ready po. IPESR.
Ay, pwede ano?
Ready na ba?
Yeah.
Papasa pa. Harap pa, harap pa.
Take two, take two, take two. Once again,
Game
College
na.
of...
Oh. Pangduwa ito ha, pangduwa. Yan na. B.
Piueños,
B.
piueños,
B.
piueños.
Wait.
Take three. B. Uenos, take three. Once again, the College of Industrial Technology.
Pwede dyan, pwede dyan.
Pwede.
Dyan na lang.
O, dyan na lang. Sige, sige, sige. Sige, ako na. Support, support. Akin na. Akin na. I-cellphone na lang natin para masaya ang lahat.
Thank you. Doon na lang. Baka may
Type C. May Type C ba tayo? Type C. May Type C ba tayo?
Apply na lang, sir. Yung final. Yung final.
Wait lang po, ha? Wait lang po.
B. B at B, U, N, U, S, U. Ika ang mapadagos.
Ready? Once again, the College of Industrial Technology. Music.
B. B at B, U, N, U, S, U. Ika ang mapadagos. C. Sisipagan palalo. I. Yan ang pinangako. T. Titiuso ng kabos. Sit. Yan ang busitenyos. B-U-C, I-T, B-U-C, I-T, B-U-C, I-T. Busit, busit, busit. B. U. 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 Busit.
Yeah! Thank you po. Woo!
All right, thank you so much, College of Industrial Technology. And now, welcome po natin ang Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation. Parang mag-stage to eh. Parang feeling ko mag-stage to. Sige, tingnan natin kung sino ang may lakas ng loob ang...
Yung mga kasama namin, nasa AI po. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Walang titi, walang titi, walang titigil. Walang pipi, walang pipi, walang pipigil. Walang suso, walang suso, walang susuko. IFPI. Woo! Team IP!
Walang upo, walang upo, walang uuupo. Walang upo, walang upo, walang uupo. Grabe si Madam. Thank you so much. IBSR, palakpan po natin. And now, tawagin na po natin ang College, or I mean, Institute of Design and Architecture. Come on. Ayan, pabigay na lang po ng microphone. Be Ready College of Dental Medicine. Hala, saunan sila. Sige, madam. Be Ready College of Dental Medicine. May music. Ah, okay. May music pa, kailangan nyo ng music. Okay.
the 50th anniversary of PU Architecture. 50 na po kami next year. Kaya ito ang unang activity namin. Kaya si Ana kakanta.
Okay, are you ready?
1, 2, 3. Arki agad! Kami nangangagat! Ra, ra, ra!
Alright, palakpan po natin ang Institute of Design and Architecture. And now let's come now to the College of Dental Medicine. Be ready, College of Medicine. Itong taga si CSSPO, nagre-ready lang, chill-chill lang sila. Lalabas yan, may festival queen, may mga pa-backdrum, may mga pa-ball gown. Abangan natin. Ready na ba ang ating College of Dental Medicine? Ready? And of course, I would like to inform everybody na live po tayong napapanood sa Facebook page po ng Bicol University. And of course, pasalamatan din po natin ang ating mga sponsors. Maraming salamat po kay Sir Joseph Yap. Maraming salamat din po sa Alumni College of Engineering and sa Coca-Cola Company. Thank you so much. Once again, the College of Dental Medicine. Wow! Thank you so much, College of Dental Medicine. And now, pakinggan po natin ang Yell and Chant po ng College of Medicine. Be ready, College of Arts and Letters. Kayo po ang sunod. Wala bang College of Medicine? Isa lang? Sige, kanta ka na lang po ng ng kanta po ni Willie Revillame, magdubi-dubi-dap-dap ka na lang. Nandito po, pagbagyan po na natin microphone. Tayo po tayo from College of Medicine. Wala ba? Okay, wala pong College of Medicine. And now, let's come now to College of Arts and Letters. Microphone po. Ariana nandun sa dulo. Tayo na po tayo para mailapit po yung microphone. Be ready, College of Engineering.
Please welcome the college dean of the College of Arts and Letters. From the College of Arts and Letters, are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Play! Music, please.
Wow, amazing! Amazing College of Arts and Letters. Thank you so much. Grabe ha, napawawa ko dun ha. And now College of Engineering. Be ready, College of Nursing.
We are the B, E, S, the best among the R, E, S, the rest. We are the B, E, S, the best among the R, E, S, the best. Go, Buseng! Go, Buseng! Go, Buseng! Go, Buseng! Go, Buseng! Buseng, Buseng, Buseng! Salamat!
Grabe yun, sir, ha? Parang nasobran ka sa gin tapos na may suwa, ha? Thank you so much, Buseng, the College of Engineering. And now, let's come now to the College of Nursing.
Thank you.
Be ready, Gubat Campus. Oh, may pa-banner.
Sound. Good morning, everyone. Happy 57th BU Charter Day from the College of Nursing or Kolehiyo ng Pagkalinga. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Pagkalinga, 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 Pagkalinga. Arangkada, Pagkalinga, Pagkalinga, Arangkada. B-U-C-N, B-U-C-N. Arangkada, Pagkalinga, Pagkalinga, Arangkada. B-U-C-N, B-U-C-N. Kami ay magagaling, tatak na biyuwenyo. Pagkalinga, Pagkalinga. Kami ay magagaling, tatak na biyuwenyo. Pagkalinga, Pagkalinga. Eyo, eyo, eyo. We come as one, we walk as one. Eyo, eyo. We grow as one, we swan biyuwenyo. Mataas sa langit, pataas lagi mangarap. Eyo, 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 swan biyuwenyo. Paas sa lupa, katuwang na may dangal. Eyo, eyo, aswan biyuwenyo. Puso sa bayan, likod hindi mawawala. Eyo, eyo, aswan biyuwenyo. Huha, umaarang kada ang galing at talino. Hey, hey, hey. Huha, umaarang kada ang galing at talino. Nursing, biyaheng sararo-sarabay, banderang iwawagayway, nasa biyo ang tagumpay. One more. Nursing, biyaheng sararo-sarabay, banderang iwawagayway, nasa biyo ang tagumpay. BUCN!
Thank you so much, Bicol University Coral. Ang gagaling, ang gaganda namang bosses. Thank you so much, College of Nursing. And now let's come now to the college or from the BU Gubat Campus. Ayan na. Come on. Nandun sila. Sila po ay ng mga naka-pink. Be ready, CSSP.
From the land of Esaulia High, are you ready?
Meron palang Bon Jovi sa Gubat Campus, ha? Thank you so much. Palakpan po natin ang Gubat Campus. And now, welcome po natin ang College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. Nandito po sila sa unahan. Tayo na po tayo. Ayan, nakaupo pala. Sige, may choreography ba? Sorry na. Ayan na. Parang sila yung pinakamarami, ha? Later on, meron po tayong mga special award. Later din po, i-announce ko po kung ano po yung mga special award po natin. Once again, at the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. Be ready, College of Science.
Red, pula. Red, pula, pula. Ang tibay kaini. Uragon. Basta tatak CSSP, may tiwalang bigay. Matibayon. Mauragon. Kami ini. CSSP. CSSP. Red, pula. Red, pula, pula. Red, pula. Red, pula, pula.
Wow, thank you so much, College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. And now, the College of Science. Ayan na. Sa likod lang pala. And of course, I would like to remind everybody, later po, meron po tayong special award. We have the Best Alumni Club Yale Archand, Early Birds, Best Alumni Club T-shirts Design, and the Biggest Delegation.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hear us now, see us are here. We have no fear. Tan tan tan. Tan tan tan. CS tan tan tan.
Panayan, si Artista ng Bayan. Thank you.
Salamat po, College of Science. And now, the BU Tobacco. Come on, BU Tobacco, be ready. BU Ginubatan. Sunod kayo. Hala, lalabas ang lahat. Come on, everyone.
Dito po tayo sa gitna.
Be ready, be Yugi the Batan, kayo sunod.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay. Clap ha? Clap ha? Clap. Clap. Tapos, oh, 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 Tabaco.
BU Tobacco,
BU Tabaco.
BU Tobacco,
BU Tabaco.
BU Tobacco.
Mapapaulala. Go, go, go! Team Okabats!
Thank you so much. Ang mga baby dolls ng BU Tobacco. And now, let's come now to BU Ginubatan. Be ready, BU Pulangi, BU Pulangi, be ready. Mapapaulala.
Hello. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Move. Give way. BUG is on the way. Move. Give way. BUG is on the way. Move. Give way. BUG is on the way. Who we are? BUG. What do we bring? Pride, excellence, and victory today. Hey, here I call. BUG is standing proud and tall. Green and gold our color shine. Bicol University forever divine. For the 57th Charter Day, we celebrate with pride today. For our alumni, strong and true, we honor and salute you. BUG. Raise it high. BUG. Touching dreams from the sky. One community, one destiny. You, united in diversity. 1, 2, 3, go. BUG. BUG sa piling mo. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. B, U, G. BU Ginubatan. B, U, G. BU Ginubatan. Hear our voice. Strong, proud, loyal we will be. BU Ginubatan. Victory. 1, 2, 3, go. Mabuhay ang Bicol University. Mabuhay ang BUG. Agrikultura. Arangkada. Woo!
Wow! Thank you so much, BU Ginubatan. Eto na. Parang ready to. Oh. Nag-choreo pa. Ay, marami na. Ladies and gentlemen, from BU Pulangi.
Polanggi, di magpapahuli. Polanggi, di magpapahuli.
Hey.
Polanggi, di magpapahuli.
Hey.
Panalo na, taga Polanggi. BU Pulangi ang ibandera. BU Pulangi ang ibandera. BU Pulangi ang ibandera. BU Pulangi ang ibandera. Introducing the multi-talented individuals. Pusong umaalab, di nagpapatinag, talentong mag-aalab, galing nila'y lumiliyap. Oras, sige pa, woot, woot. Oras, sige pa, woot, woot.
All right, thank you so much, BU Pulangi. Oh, come on. Oh. Thank you so much, BU Pulangi. And now, BU Sibam. Ayan na. Madami rin to. I would like to remind everybody na bukas pa rin po ang ating photo booth. Ayan, sa mga gusto pong magkaroon po ng souvenir and souvenir po sa ating charter day. Meron po tayong photo booth outside. That is for 100 pesos. Thank you so much. Be ready.
Bicol University! CBM! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Tan tan tanananan, tan tanananan, tan tanananan. B to the U to the E, B to the E to the MC BEM, B to the U to the C, B to the E to the MC BEM. Basta magaling sa CBM nang galing. Saan? Sa CBM. Sa CBM. Basta magaling sa CBM nang galing. Saan? Sa CBM. Sa CBM. Go CBM! Go CBM! Go BEM! Go! Beyond the best! Go CBM! Go CBM! Go beyond the best! Thank you very much.
All right, thank you so much, BUC BAM! And now, our last is the Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporation. Kasama ba sila? Hindi. All right, sige, eto na. Come on, everybody! Pwede ko bang maimbitahan ang lahat na tumayo? Come on. We will be having our opening dance number kasama po kayong lahat. Everybody, tayo po ang lahat. Coordinators, dito ay sa likod ko. Come on, everybody. Everybody, come on. Yung mga nasa bleachers, pwede po ba tayo bumaba? Ayan, dito tayo sa taas. Come on, guys. Hello! Ayan, pasensya na po sa mga kumakain. Okay, we will be having, so pwede ko ba maimbitan po ang ating mga VPs, press, dito po tayo sa unahan. Sir Sixto, everybody from, everybody, we will be having our opening dance number kasama po kayong lahat. Tayo po ay maglalaba. Sino ang naglalaba sa inyo? Anong unang ginagawa kapag naglalaba? Kusot, that is correct. Pag sinabi kong kusot, our first step is just like this. Come on. Kusot, 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 and kusot. Ang hindi sumayaw, mag-isang sasayaw sa unahan. After kusot, anong sunod? Sampay agad? Banlaw aga, banlaw na, banlaw. Sige, everybody, banlaw. Banlaw, banlaw, tsokolate. Banlaw, banlaw. Okay, after banlaw, anong sunod? Ano? Sampay, that is correct. Sige, sampay, 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 and sampay. After yung maglaba, anong nararamdaman ninyo? Ano? Pagod. Sige. Punas tayo ng pawis. Pagod. Pagod. Pagod and pagod. Everybody, pwede po ba natin i-occupy yung center? Yan. Everybody, sige, closer pa po tayo para makagalaw po tayong lahat. Para maganda po tayo tignan. Biyo ginabatan, baba po tayo ginabatan. Biyo pulanggi and gubat, baba po tayo. Pwede po tayo dito sa unahan. Come on, come on, come on. Everybody, come on! I-spread po tayo para po maganda po sa video. Come on! Come on, everybody, come on! Hello! Uulitin ko po. Our first step is kusot. Followed by? Ano? Banlaw, that is correct. Sunod. Sampay. Next. Pagod. Ang hindi sumayaw ay sasayaw sa unahan at magbibigay ng 5,000 sa BU. Oo. Okay, kung ayaw nyo magmulta, sumayaw kayo. Alright, Bicol University, are you ready? Dapat, yes! Ganun dapat! Bicol University, are you ready? DJ Lacey, music, come on! Come on, clap your hand, come on! Come on! Higher! Wow, para tayo nagbibiyo hataw. Come on! Heto na! Kusot-kusot! Kusot-kusot! Banlaw-banlaw! Come on! Sabay-sabay! Pagod! Kusot-kusot! Kusot-kusot? Banlaw-banlaw! Come on! Sabay-sabay! Clipboard, clipboard, clipboard! Pagod! Isigaw po natin, mabuhay ang BU alumni! And 1, 2, 3, go! Ang hina, isa pa! Palakpan po natin ang bawat isa. Maraming salamat po. Alright. Napagod bang lahat? Alright, formally welcome us. Tawagin po natin ang Director of BU Alumni Relation Office. Palakpan po natin si Dr. Sixto O. Orsales.
I don't know if I can even speak after that. Okay, to our university officials headed by Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, sir. Our Vice President, Maria Julieta D. Bores, Dr. Maria Julieta D. Bores, our VP for Academic Affairs, Sir Cyrus A. Barameda, our VP for Administration and Finance, Dr. Carolina L. Maceda, our VP for Research, Development, and Extension, and Professor Sammy A. Ramos, our VP for Planning and Development. To our fellow BU alumni, distinguished guests, retirees, faculty members, students, and friends, good morning. Today, we come together not only to celebrate the 57 years of Bicol University legacy, but also the enduring bond that connects us across generations, professions, and places. No matter where life has taken us, we remain united by a common identity. We are BU alumni. As we gather under the theme, One BU alumni, one family, one humanity, may this homecoming rekindle friendships, strengthen our sense of belonging, and inspire us to continue giving back to the institution that helped shape who we are today. On behalf of the Alumni Relations Office and the 19 alumni coordinators from our colleges, institutes, and units, I warmly welcome you to this meaningful celebration. Welcome home, dear alumni. Mahay na aga po sa labas.
Alright, palakpan po natin si Dr. Sixto O. Orzales. Everybody, palakpan naman po natin. And of course, another welcome message coming from the President of BU General Alumni Associations, Dr. Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno. Palakpan po natin, everyone.
Good morning, Bicol University family. Hindi ko alam kung kaya kong tapatan si DJ Damrek. Hello! Hi! On June 21, 1969, a crystal clear vision was made. A huge dream was articulated, and a bold action was made. And that was the signing into an ink by Bicol University Charter, our very own Republic Act 5521, that gave reason why we are here now celebrating the establishment and the raison d'etre, which is to provide professional, technical trainings and quality education to all Bicolanos as well as Filipinos. To our university president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin III, Nebres III, to all our vice presidents, to all the deans and directors, I must give emphasis, supportive deans and directors, to all program chairs, faculty members, teaching staff, alumni. I would like to emphasize non-BU personnel and teachers, alumni who are here, who took time to come over to join us in our celebration. And of course, to my partner, the Bicol University ARO, or the Alumni Relations Office, headed by Dr. Sixto Orzales. To all of us, a pleasant morning and welcome home to Bicol University, the home of beauty, the home of wit, and the home of compassionate people, as being represented by our 57th Charter Day. 57 is Azalea anniversary, and that represents deep beauty and deep love. And that is what we have now. The bold action and the great decision and dream made for Bicol University, for Bicol region, and the nation was attributed to our three founding fathers, where we offered wreath this morning to our delayed Honorable Dominador Aitona, delayed Honorable Carlos Carling Imperial, and to the late Jose M. Alberto, Honorable Jose M. Alberto. This is the very reason. They were our legacy leaders who bestowed, who gifted to us Bicol University, the heart of education in Bicol region. But in my welcoming you, I just would like to give 3 points. First, the potential exponential power of Bicol University alumni. Faculty members come and go. Administrators come and go. Students come and go. They may increase, but just little. But alumni never come and go. When they become alumni, they are alumni forever. So that is the exponential power of number. Hindi kinaya ang power ko ng microphone. So we conquer Bicol region, we conquer the nation, and we conquer the world. We keep growing. Just imagine if how much alumni we have now in terms of number. Number 2, legacy leadership. We have to follow legacy leadership characteristics that were displayed by our father authors of RA 5521. Meaning to say, out of the dreams, action must be there in order to make things really happen. And out of the credentials that we collect, there must be public utilization, and that there must be social value that must be created out of our credentials and qualifications. Yes, leaders come and go, but legacy remains. That is a very beautiful slogan, that leaders should not only mean what they gain in terms of honor and pride, but what they contribute that is of social impact to the community and across the world. The third that I would like to emphasize is active involvement. We have to create home in our very own selves, home in our family, home in the college, home in the community, home in the nation, and home in the world. H stands for sense of history, that we have to see to it that we are made part of the history, of the story of our college, of our university, and of our community. Home for oneness. That's the reason why our theme is here, exemplifying unity. One Bicol University, one BU alumni, one community, and one humanity. O is opportunity, N is networking, and E is excellence. M for mission. Our mission must be bigger than our dreams. Our action must be bigger than our ambition. In short, ladies and gentlemen, our ambition must be subordinated by our mission in life. Mission must be greater than ambition. And when we pursue ambition, we pursue our very own mission. And the last letter, E, stands for excellence. In everything we do, we have to excel. We have to stand tall. From the ordinary to extraordinary contributions to our beloved Bicol University, to our beloved community, and beloved humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, I take pride and honor on behalf of Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporated to welcome you all in today's 57th BU Charter Day and General Alumni Homecoming. Welcome home, everyone. Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat po, President BU General Alumni Association, Dr. Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno. Everybody, palakpan po natin. So at this point in time, let's come now to our next game. So I need one representative per college. Come on, everybody, come on. I need one representative per college. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Ang hindi makahabol, cut na. 4, 3, 2, 1.9, 1.8, 1.7. Come on, nandito po tayo. Semicircle po tayo, everybody. Come on. Ayan. Palakpakan nyo naman, oh. Ang gagaling, oh. Semicircle po tayo. Come on, dito po tayo. Okay, semicircle po tayo. Come on. Dapat meron pang representative per college. Sa BU Pulangi, sino ba? Andito na? Sino sa BU Pulangi? Okay. Compress po tayo, everybody. Ang dami. Okay, pakilala po at saang college. Go!
BU Tabaco!
Pangalan nga ni...
Hello po, ako po si Sarah.
Sarah from BU Tabaco! Eto.
Ariel po from BUCSSP.
Pwede huminga?
Sige, hinga. Hinga ulit. Hinga. Okay na. Inhale, exhale. Go.
Dr. Gildon sa College of Dental Medicine!
Oh, ito.
Gilbert Lopez from BU Gubat Campus.
Oh, ito.
Pritzi Ray, BU College of Science!
Eto.
Mari B. College of Medicine!
Medicine. Okay.
Irish from IPSR.
Nalobat na si Ma'am Karina. Sarap panday na dangog inda. Go.
Irish from IPSR.
Diba? Go.
Jorik from College of Nursing.
Guwapo to, oh. Mas guwapo to. Go.
Jason Abrera from BUCBEM.
Oh.
Cyril Banye.
Grabe yung pagka-post. Sabi niya. Bongga Coral. Go.
Cyril Banyel, Busit.
Busit! Go.
John Ray Arbo, BU Bulangi.
Happy. Compress po tayo dito, madam. Medyo compress pa po tayo. Sige, sige. Come on!
Merilet mula sa Kolehiyo ng Arte at Letra!
Go!
Noel Capus from Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development.
Kapos ka?
Apo.
Kapos din ako.
Yeah.
Oh, DJ Danry Kapos.
Winner na ba?
Kasan ka ba?
Tabako!
Tabako! Isus the Barbie man. Hello po!
Mara from BU Ginobatan!
Okay, everybody, compress po tayo. Semicircle, forward po tayo. Sige pa. Okay, madam, semicircle po tayo. Okay, makinig po ang lahat. Our next game is a hep hep hooray with a twist. With twist po ito. Sige, gawin po natin, everybody. Hep hep hooray, DJ Muse, come on! Instead of using hep hep hooray, ang gagamitin po natin ay hala, bira. Bira, ganon. Everybody, come on. Hala. Come on, exercise po dapat. Hala. Hala. Taas po tayo. Everybody, hala. Bira. Baba po dapat. Bira. Ganon. Ang ma-out po, baba na. Ang magkamali po, baba na. Sige, once again. Hala. Bira. Happy. Ready, go!
Hala!
Gabi, hala! Bukang-buka, Go!
Hala!
Bira!
Hala!
Bira!
Hala!
Bira!
Bira, go!
Hala! Bira!
Sabi niya. Ano sa'yo? Go!
Hala! Bira!
Hala!
Bira!
Hala!
Bira!
Grabe! Hala! Go!
Bira!
Hala!
Okay, compress po tayo ng konti. Ang magkamali po, ano lang yun ha? Rehearsal. Oo, ay, ayaw mo. Ready? Ang magkamali po ay out na. Ready, go!
Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala!
Bira! Hala! Hala!
Oh! Out ka na po! Bye! Compress. Go!
Hala!
Bira!
Hala!
Bira!
Hala!
Hala!
Out ka na! Madali unsa ng mga pangyayari. Go!
Hala!
Bira!
Hala! Hala!
Ah! Out ka na! Compress. Go!
Hala!
Bira!
Hala!
Bira!
Hala!
Bira!
Hala!
Bira!
Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Bira!
Out ka na! Woo! Go!
Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! 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 Hala ka! Hala! 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 Hala!
Hala! Baba ka na! Hala! Out ka na po! Kami nga. Hala! Hala! Conference mo tayo. Thank you so much, ma'am. Woo! Go!
Hala!
Bira,
Hala!
bira, hala, bira,
Hala!
bira, hala, bira, hala,
Bira!
hala, bira, hala, bira,
Hala!
bira, hala, bira, hala,
Bira!
hala.
Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala!
Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira!
Hala!
Go!
Bira!
Hala!
Ah! Woo! Compress, 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 compress. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ready? Tama ng chismisan. Kalaban ba nga ni? Go!
Hala!
Bira, hala.
Out, diba? Bye! Ganon din ako nung college ako. Hala, bira. Ready, go!
Hala, bira, hala, bira, hala, bira, hala,
Bira!
hala, bira.
Bira!
Ah! Out ka na! Goodbye! Woo! Bongga, may pabeso-beso. Madam, baka umuwi ka, madam. Dito, madam, ang exit, madam. Ay, naka-heels pala. Go!
Hala, bira,
Hala!
bira.
Hala!
Halo! Ang laki ng boss mo. Halo! Parang sa Incredible Hulk ah. Go!
Bira,
Hala mo na. Go!
Hala!
bira,
Hala!
bira, hala, bira, hala, bira, hala, bira,
Hala!
bira,
Hala!
hala.
Hala, walang action! Out ka na! Compress. 5 na lang. Go!
Hala!
Bira,
Hala!
bira.
Hala! Hala! Mali.
Ah! Out ka na. Alam niyo yung mali na siya. 4 na lang. From BU Tobacco! From Gubat! From Nursing! And Pulangi! Umayos ka, ha? Go!
Hala, bira, hala, bira, hala, bira, hala, hala.
Hala! Hala siya! Out ka na! Woo! Ka naman, no? Go!
Hala, bira,
Hala!
bira, hala, bira,
Hala!
bira,
Hala!
bira, hala, bira, hala, bira,
Hala!
bira, hala, bira, hala, bira, hala, bira,
Hala!
hala.
Ah! Out ka na! Woo! 2 na lang. Dito kayo. From what college? School?
BU Tobacco!
Oh, go!
From the College of Nursing!
From the College of Nursing! Iba yun na, para nagpapageant lang siya. From Bicol University College of Nursing! Grabe. Nagpapageant ka ba?
Mr. BU 2025.
Oh! Ito po, Miss KBU. Okay, harapan po tayo. Come on. Go. Harapan po tayo. Ready? Go!
Hala, hala,
Bira! Hala!
Loading ka, girl. Garo ka baga? Yung baby natin, malaki na. Come on, ready, go!
hala,
Bira! Hala! Bira!
hala,
nagkamali siya, no? Okay lang yan. Actually po, paras kayo panalo. Congratulations from College of Nursing and from Tobacco! Congratulations, meron kang extension! Extension! Oh, ano gusto mo sabihin?
Maraming salamat.
Oh,
Thank you po, Bicol University!
woo! 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 Maraming salamat po. Grabe yung energy ng BU. Anyway, at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our next speaker is a visionary leader who unwavering commitment to excellence, innovation, and quality education and continue to inspire our institution. Please give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to our SUC President for Bicol University, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebrest III.
Hala, bira. To my fellow BUenos and friends of Bicol University, di ko na po kayo isa-isahin. Mahugutom lang tayo. Sarong maimbong na aga po sa Indogabos. Today we gather with pride and gratitude to celebrate the 57th Charter Day of our beloved Bicol University, an enduring academic institution that has consistently grown throughout the years. We look back and acknowledge the founding fathers and the lineage of leaders, our dear presidents and administrators who are here, and all the members of the academic community who made Bicol University into what is now the premier state university in the Bicol region, with Boring reach into the global ranking. This milestone is not merely a commemoration of years. It is a reaffirmation of our enduring mission to serve as a university for humanity towards sustainable societies. Nurturing graduates who embody competence, integrity, and love of country. Since its founding, Bicol University has stood as beacon of knowledge and service in the region and beyond. Each generation of scholars, educators, and leaders who have walked through our halls has carried forward the spirit of excellence and compassion that defines our community. Our charter reminds us that education is not only about the pursuit of wisdom, but also the responsibility to uplift, strengthen communities, and contribute to national development. As we mark this 57th year, we honor the visionaries who laid the foundation of the university, our founding fathers, the past and present administrators, the faculty and staff who continue to dedicate themselves to the noble task of teaching and mentoring, and to our dear students whose aspiration fuel our commitment to innovation and progress. We also pay tribute to our dear alumni, whose achievement across diverse fields stand as living testaments to the transformative power of a Bicol University education and being a true Biwenyo with positive character. This Charter Day is both a celebration and a call to action. In a rapidly changing world, we must remain steadfast in our values while embracing new opportunities for growth. We must continue to expand our horizons through research, partnerships, and community engagement, ensuring that Bicol University
remains at the forefront of higher education in the Philippines. Let us move forward with courage and unity, guided by the ideals that have sustained for almost more than half a century. May this celebration inspire us to deepen our commitment to excellence, service, and humanity, so that Bicol University will continue to shine as pillar of hope and progress for generations to come, always driven for humanity and in the service of humanity. On behalf of the entire university, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all who have been part of this journey. Together, let us honor our past, celebrate our present, and build future worthy of legacy entrusted to us. And congratulations to the BU General Alumni Association for making this Charter Day and Alumni Homecoming a successful one. Happy 57th Charter Day, Bicol University. Diyos ang magbalo sa gabos.
Alright, maraming salamat po to our active and very competitive SUC President of Bicol University, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinebres III. Everybody palakpan po natin. And of course, let's hear another message of support coming from our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores. And of course, sa lahat po ng ating mga alumni ng Bicol University, bukas pa rin po ang ating photo booth sa labas. Ayan, that is for 100 pesos only. Once again, palakpan po natin si Dr. Julieta or Maria Julieta B. Bores.
He said it 3 times and he said it wrong. Maria Julieta Barameda Bores.
Stand
Sabihin mo
corrected.
nga, sabihin mo nga.
Maria Julieta Bores.
Bitter. Better. Isang napakagandang umaga. Today is also a Father's Day celebration. And I just like to thank each one of you for joining us in this meaningful event. You make time to be in this venue just to celebrate the Charter Day and Alumni Day of Bicol University, and it means a lot to us. We are also honored by the presence of our alumni, by our former leaders. We have Dr. Helen, and of course, I'd like to give my respect and acknowledgement to the father of Bicol University, our beloved charismatic leader, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinebres. Palakpakan po natin. We are also very thankful for the organizer of this event, sa pangunguna ni Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, the President of Bugaay, isang masigabong palakpakan, in partnership with our ARO Director, Dr. Sixto. Maraming salamat. And so, the occasion is very happy, jubilant, with our very active and bubbly hosts. And the activities are so fun. This is really a very timely occasion for, as we honor the Charter Day, the founding anniversary, we honor also those who have served Bicol University as non-teaching, as faculty, as leaders, for what we are now, who we are now as an institution. We owe that to them. We also honor, of course, the 3 forefathers, founding fathers of Bicol University, whom we honored kanina in a very symbolic ceremony, for they really started the very foundation of this beloved institution. Maraming salamat, for we are all here celebrating this occasion. As we celebrate this day, this is also a reminder to all of us the unshakable values that shape our university. From the classrooms, the researches, the extension activities that we conduct, that we offer the communities, we built this around the very foundation of this university. A promise that Bicol University will continuously serve the region, and beyond. And our alumni are the ultimate testimony that we are continuing fulfilling that promise for Bicol University with its more than 5 decades of existence has been producing great professionals whose impact are really lasting, leaders, professional teachers, nurses, engineers, and the rest of the professionals, and we are very proud of that. So I just like to say thank you to everyone. Mabuhay po ang Bicol University, and let's continue this meaningful celebration.
Alright, palakpakan po natin si Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores! Everybody! Di ba? Bumawi tayo, di ba? Hello, madam. I like your diction. Ang galing mo, madam. Thank you so much, madam. And of course, another message of support coming from our Vice President for Administration and Finance, Mr. Cyrus A. Barameda, sir. Palakpan po natin si Sir Cyrus. And of course, maraming salamat din po sa ating sponsor sa refreshing and health drinks. Thank you so much.
To our esteemed University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinebres III, to our alumni regent, and the President of the BU General Alumni Associations Incorporated, Dr. Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, to my fellow Vice Presidents, Dr. Maria Julieta Bores, Dr. Lani Maceda, and Professor Sani Ramos, to the faculty regent, Professor Indira Tabo, the BU ANSA officials, deans and directors, other heads of offices, our alumni, faculty and non-teaching personnel. Marinaaga po sa Boss. On this 57th day and 57th Charter Day and General Alumni Homecoming of Bicol University, I proudly extend my deepest support and congratulations to our beloved institution and its alumni. The theme, One BU Alumni, One Family, One Humanity, resonates strongly with our collective journey. It reminds us that strength of our university lies not only in academic excellence, but also in the values of unity, compassion, and shared responsibility. This celebration is a testament to the enduring legacy of BU, a legacy strengthened by the contributions of our alumni, faculty, staff, and students. Together, we honor our past, embrace our present, and prepare for a future where Bicol University remains a beacon of knowledge and service. As Vice President for Administration and Finance, I reaffirm our commitment to sound governance, ensuring that every decision we make is guided by transparency, accountability, and integrity. We continue to uphold efficient resource management, maximizing the value of every investment and channeling our resources towards programs that directly benefits our students, faculty, and community. Above all, we strive for institutional sustainability, building systems and practices that safeguard the future of Bicol University while remaining responsive to the evolving needs of society. So let us continue to work hand in hand as one family, guided by the principles of good governance and sustainability, and united by our shared humanity. So mabuhay po ang Bicol University, mabuhay po tayong lahat, and happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Cyrus A. Barameda, our Vice President for Administration and Finance. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's come now to our next game. So I need, again, one representative per college. So, dalhin po natin ang ating mga upuan. So, I need one representative per college. Come on! 10! Come on, dalhin po natin ang upuan. Come on, 10! 9! Dalhin po natin yung upuan nyo. Dalhin po yung upuan nyo, ma'am. Come on, come on. Eto na. Tignan po natin. For sure, magkakagulo ang lahat. Come on, 10, 9, 8, 7. Sir, dalhin po yung upuan mo, sir. Dalhin po natin yung mga upuan ninyo. Come on. Eto na. Dito po tayo, madam. Come on, one line po tayo dito. Come on. Wala na bang iba? From Ginubatan, Pulangi, Gubat, from IPESR, come on. From Busit. Come on. Wala ba from CSSP? CSSP? Come on. Eto na. Wala na? Dalhin po natin, kuha po tayo ng isang upuan. Eto, may upuan po dito. Isa lang po, kada college. Parang mapapagod to. Wala ba yung mas mabilis na tumakbo? Baka diretso to sa BRTTH. Ayan yung kaya pong tumakbo, ha? Okay. Wala na bang iba? Okay, tayo. Wala na? Okay na ba yan? Tayo po tayo. Pangalan, taga saan? Go.
Cynthia Buotan, Santo Domingo, Albay. Education.
From College of Education.
Sheila from the College of Arts and Letters.
Parang lobat na, ha? Go!
Julian M. Balang, BUCS.
Kim from the College of Nursing.
Kanina gwapo yung sumaling, ngayon maganda naman. Go!
O kaya, Giancarlo Bio Tabaco!
Oh,
Carlo from BUCBEM.
si Bem.
Patricia Bercilia Reyes, representing JCM Robredo Institute of Governance and Development.
Bet kayo pinakalas kung ganun show. Go, sir!
Francis from BU Ginubatan!
Oh,
Olda from BU Gubat.
asan yung taga Pulangi? Isang representative from Pulangi. Come on. Wala. Come on, ang dami-dami yun. Come on, come on. Isa lang po from BU Pulangi. Come on, come on. Isa lang po. Parang wala from si Bem. Si Bem. Okay. Upo po tayo, everybody. Upo tayo. Okay, makinig po ang lahat. Hello? Okay na yan, Be. Makinig po ang lahat. This is a bring me and trip to Jerusalem with a twist. Hihingi ako ng mga bagay-bagay. For example, from what college?
CS po.
From College of Science. For example, bring me 1 peso coin. Dapat yung 1 peso coin ay galing sa College of Science. So, i-ready nyo na po ang inyong mga laman ng bag dahil nakasalalay po sa inyo kung sino po ang mananalo sa kanila. Sige. Everybody! Mapapalaban yung mga malalayo, oh. Kawawa naman. Sige. I-adjust pa natin para fair. Sige, adjust po tayo dito. Adjust pa tayo dito. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Eto na. Sige, upo lang po tayo. Alright. Tayo po tayo. Bawas ng isang upuan. Kapag nakuha nyo na yung 1 peso coin, una-unahan kayong uupo. Okay? Kahit saan ko po kayo pwedeng umupo dyan. Okay! First, bring me national ID! Come on! Takbo! Come on! Upo! Opo! Opo! Come on! Opo! Oh! Come on! Isa pa! Isa pa! Isa pa! Isa pa! Isa pa! Isa pa, bilis! Isa pa! Isa pa! Isa pa, bilis! Bilis! Isa pa, ayun! Ibigay mo doon! Hindi ikaw player! Come on! Meron pa! Umalis ka nga ni, siya nga ni,
Asan na buwan ko?
wala, out ka na! Thank you so much for joining, Mami! Okay lang yan, Mami. Bawi tayo, Mama, isa raffle. Malay mo sa'yo yung washing machine. Alright? Check ko natin. National ID, National ID, National ID. Okay, tayo po tayo. Bawas ng isa. Bring me 5,000 pesos! 5,000! Woo! 5,000! 5,000! 5,000! 5,000! Meron pa! Meron pa! Meron pa! Meron pa! Meron pa! Meron pa! Ayun, ayun. Ayun! Out ka na! Thank you so much! Sayang! Doc Bibi, wag mo na po kaming bigyan ng TF. Okay na po kami. Papaldo kami dito. Paldo? Sabi ko 5,000 lang. Oh, di pwede yan. 5,000! 5,000! 5,000! 5,000! 5,000! 5,000! Bawasan mo na. Yung sobra po sa amin na. TF. Anong sasabihin?
Maraming salamat po!
Madam, salamat po, sir. Hala, masaya na naman po kami nito. Madam, okay lang po ba, madam? I-charge nyo na lang po sa transportation ta sa food. Oo, pwede yan. Charot. Congratulations. Tayo po tayo. Bawas ng isa. Sige. Next! Ay, balik po natin yung pera. Baka mawala pa yan. Mag-abono pa kami. Okay, next. Bring me. Balik po tayo sa ating upuan. Tayo lang po tayo. Pagod ka na ba?
Hindi pa, carry pa.
Oh, pwede nyo pong iabot, ha? Discarte nyo na lang po yan. Bring me! Palaban, no? May heels pa yan, ha? Palaban, ha? Bring me! Lipstick! Go! Lipstick! 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 Ah! Ah! Sayang! Sabi ko yan, dai ka mag-heels. Oh, nag-guru heels. Thank you so much po. Ngayon, ate, halika dito. May pag-asa ka pa, ate. Ate! Huy! Halika dito, ate. May pag-asa ka pa. Tingnan po natin kung paano sila mag-lipstick. Pag hindi sila nag-lipstick, out sila. Come on, ladies and gentlemen! Lipstick, go! Go, pretty woman, daddy down the street. Lipstick. Sir, parang hindi marunong si sir mag-lipstick, Pud na yung lipstick. May lipstick ka, sir. Mag-lipstick ka, sir. May lipstick siya. Oh, sige daw, sir. Linggo daw. Yay! Wait lang, DJ. Isang sabihin mo, mwah! Oh!
Mwah!
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 Mwah! Mwah!
Mwah!
Oh!
Mua!
Mwah! Out ka na. Thank you so much for joining po, madam. Tayo po tayo. Bawas ng isa. Diyos ko, parang 1 million ang ipipremyo. Buwis buhay. Next, bring me. Bring me. Bawal po sa inyo, ha? Bring me pabango! Pabango! Perfume! Perfume! Oh! 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 Ay! Sir, hinga mo na. Sabi mo, ano sir, para sir nag-marathon ka sir, 5 kilometers. Opo. Out ka na sir, thank you so much. Tayo po tayo sir. Paano ka magpabango? Tingnan ko nga. Sa bibig muna pala. Sige madam. Oh, payaman. Anong pabango yan? Ganun pala. Burst. Yung bango. Salamat po, madam. Alam nyo, di pa ako nakaka-experience ng Versace on the floor. Pero sumasayaw lang po ako ng Versace on the floor. Gusto mo bang sumayaw ako, madam, para makuha ko to, madam? DJ Music! DJ Music. Mahamuton. Hirak man kayo ni, danalaog. So, totoo, pabango ini o alcohol?
Papango.
Hindi na, paano magpabango? May tunog-tunog pa pala. Isus na bata. Oh, paano ka magpamot? Gidali, pamot. Sir, kayong ganun. Sige, gawin mo nga, sir. Yung paano yan? Tayo. 1, 2, 3, go. O ganun, sir. 1, 2, 3, go. Tayo po tayo. Bawas ng isa. Ay. Pagan. Ayos ka lang, sir. Next, bring me. Ano? Ay, akala ko babae ka. Bring me cellphone na di keypad. Cellphone. Come on. Di keypad. Come on. Pwede nyo pong tulungan yung ibang college. Come on. Go. Cellphone na di keypad. Tingnan po natin kung may uso pa dito. Tingnan po natin. Dalawa pa. Pwede niyo pong tulungan. Come on. Wala na? Ay, isus kita. Sige. Kung walang cellphone na di keypad, cellphone na maraming basag. Go! Kahit touchscreen, go! Oh. Sige. Tayo po tayo. Kunyari, tatawag ka kay misis mo. Paano ka ba maglambing? Go, cellphone. Hello? DJ Music. Wait lang, hindi pa tumatawag. May nagtatawag. DJ Music. DJ? Tiriring. Ayan. Sagutin mo na. Hello?
Hello? Ready ka na ba?
Ready ka na ba? Jesus. Ready ka na ba? Ikaw naman, may tumatawag. Go.
Baby ko, away tayo.
Bibi ko, away tayo. Sige, eto naman. Kunyari, ikaw ang tatawag, maniningil ka ng utang. Go, DJ Music.
Hello. Noari na ba ya? Noari na. Haluin na baga? Baka naman. Mabayad ka o mabayad ka?
Sir, kunyari tumawag yung kabit mo. Narinig ng misis mo. Go!
Low, wrong number. Dangag-dangagon ka.
Lintik na Gcash yan.
Okay. Okay. Bawas ng isa. Sige. Woo! Next. Kaya nyo yan, guys. Bring me pustiso. Go! Go! Kaya ba natin ilabas yan? Sige! I-tissue na lang. Ipanyo nyo na lang. Come on! Pustiso! Para sa 1 million. Go! Oh, meron lang isa! Isa! Oh! Isa, come on! I-tissue nyo na lang. Isa pa! Isa pa! Isa pa! Go! Go! Go, girl! Sige! Ayan na! Upo ka na po, madam. Ayaw kita napapagod. Shh. Shh. Jesus, na may galo pa. Ay! Okay, tayo po tayo. Okay, bawas ng isa. Dalawa na lang. Bring me. Okay ha? Bring me at least 5 from your kasama. Go! 5! 5! Come on! Upo! Wait lang. Sige, dito lang kayo. Dito lang kayo. Sige. Okay, tayo po tayo, sir. Gawit lang, dyan lang kayo. Pwede pa po yan. Magkakaalaman po ito sa sayawan. Okay? Okay? Oh, out na. Oh, sumuko yung taga-Bigo Ginubatan. Babalik ko na. Sige, dito lang kayo. Sige! Tayo po tayo, madam. Pag natalo kayo ng Bigo Ginubatan, sila ang uupo dito. BUCS Tabaco. Pag natalo kayo ng Ginubatan, sila ang upo dito. Okay, tayo po ay magbubudots. Budots dapat mababa, ha? Ladies and gentlemen! Hawak mo ang bit na lang, namili pa. Sige, hawak mo ang bit na sana. Sige, ladies and gentlemen! BUCS! Come on! Ibang tama nito. 8/10. BU Tabaco, budots daw, DJ! Ano?
Tinatanong ko kung budots o baka.
Budots na lang nga ni. Budots, DJ, come on! Lower! Come on! Sayaw, baby! Sayaw! 9/10. Dapat 10/10 ang performance nyo para malaglag yung CS. DJ! Budots, DJ music, come on! Wait lang, DJ. Sige, para ma-out yung BUCS, sasayaw din kayo. Tayo kayo, dali. DJ music, come on! Hey! Lower, come on! Lower! Babawi yung mga taga-BUCS. Tayo kayo! Come on, tayo! DJ! Budos DJ! Come on! Hey! Maluya. Pasensya po, BUCS. Ginubatan and Tabaco na lang! Okay. Eto na. Balik dito sa upuan. Isa na lang po ang Jesus kung pagal nindo ka banding. Sir. Ayos pa?
Okay, sir.
Pahinga lang muna.
Tama na?
Tama na. Saro pa. Last na. Sige! Bring me panggatong. Sa labas, come on! Panggatong! Come on! Panggatong! Come on! Oh, panggatong! Tulungan nyo na guys, come on! Palakihan ang panggatong to. Come on! Panggatong! Come on! Panggatong! Nawala yung iba, oh.
Mamayo.
Come on! Uh-huh. Come on. Uh-huh. Ayun na! Bilis! 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 Oh. Tayo po tayo. Tayo po tayo. Sabi ko, palakihan ng panggatong. Opo tayo, sir. Sama kinuha ang panggatong na yan. Sama kinuha ang panggatong.
Sa likod po, sir.
Oh, to ka na duman. Teka ba na inot? Pagal, no?
Mapagalon, dog man sana.
Daiman. Actually, gana ka mundo. Wow. Palapan po natin from Bio Tobacco and Ginubatan! Can I have the prizes? Congratulations! Oh. Yes, baby. Yes, daddy.
Yes, baby.
Ano gusto mong sabihin sa BU alumni?
Thank you po. Pagod pa ako, sir.
Pagkala pala siya. Oh.
Salamat po.
You're welcome po. Thank you so much, everybody. Palapan po natin. So at this point in time, let's hear another message of support coming from... But before that, ladies and gentlemen, let us all watch the video presentation of Alumni Relation Office. Everybody, eyes on the LED wall. All right, palakpakan naman po everybody. That is our video presentation of Alumni Relation Office. And of course, at this point in time, let's hear a message of support coming from the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension. Palakpakan po natin si Dr. Lani L. Maceda.
To our university president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, fellow university officials, Attorney Dr. Alex Nepomuceno, our Bugaay president, Dr. Sixto, thank you for organizing the event, faculty members, staff, students, and to all members of the Bicol University family. Today is a special day for all of us as we celebrate the 57th Charter Day of our beloved university. We also open our arms to welcome our alumni who come home carrying with them years of life learning experiences and service reflective of the 4 pillars of Bicol University. Every institution has a founding story. Ours began 57 years ago with a shared conviction that education could become a pathway to a better future, not only for individuals, but for families, communities, and generations yet to come. And today, we reap the fruits of that vision. For more than half a century, Bicol University has stood as a beacon of opportunity and hope in the region. Our theme, One BU Alumni, One Family, One Humanity, is about belonging. Although our paths may have unfolded in different ways, there is a common chapter in all our stories. That is, our time here in Bicol University. Like family members who gather every year apart, we may have different stories to tell, but we always recognize one another through the values, resilience, and spirit that Bicol University has instilled on us. Reflecting on this, I am reminded of an educator named Clark Kerr, who described universities as among society's most enduring institution, as they connect the past with the future. They preserve what generations before us have learned, encourage new way of thinking, and prepare the young minds to meet the needs of the future. Over the years, Bicol University has served as a bridge between the aspirations of the past and the possibilities of the future. As we celebrate this milestone, I extend my heartfelt congratulations and gratitude to the entire BU family. 57 years of service, excellence, and growth would not have been possible without the dedication of those who come before us, our mentors, former BU key officials and colleagues, and those who continue to advance the university's mission today. Allow me to end my message with a profound African proverb. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Thank you very much po sa ating lahat. Mabuhay ang Bicol University. Mabuhay tayong mga BUeños.
Mabuhay ka rin po, Dr. Lani L. Maceda, our Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension. And of course, another message of support coming from our Vice President for Planning and Development, Professor Sonny A. Ramos. Palakpan po natin, everyone.
Good morning. In behalf of our Vice President for Planning and Development, who is now naka-tour of duty as Father's duty because it's Father's Day. I was tasked to share his message of support for this activity. So to all the Bicol University officials, faculty, and non-teaching personnel, the alumni officers, and alumni who attended the celebrations, maray na aldaw po sa aton ngamin. So as we celebrate the 57th Charter Day of Bicol University, I extend my warmest greetings to our students, faculty, staff, alumni, partners, and all who continue to be part of our shared journey. This year's theme is One BU Alumni, One Family, One Humanity. It reminds us that while time may take us to different places and paths, we remain connected by the values, memories, and purpose that we learn within the halls of Bicol University. We are more than a community of learners. We are family bound by service, compassion, and our commitment to humanity. Today, let us celebrate not only the achievement of our Bicol University, but also the people who make those achievements possible. May this occasion inspire us to strengthen our connections, support one another, and continue building a Bicol University that serves with excellence and heart. Happy 57th Charter Day, Bicol University. May we continue to grow together as one BU, one family, and one humanity. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang Bicol University. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Thank you very much.
Alright, maraming salamat po, Professor Sonny A. Ramos. Palakpan po natin, everybody. Okay! This is our last game for our morning program. So, kailangan ko po ng dalawang team. Each team composed of 4 players. Come on, come on! Kailangan ko po ng dalawang team. Each team composed of 4 players. Anong college kaya ang mauuna? Come on, come on! Sino mauna dito? Come on! Come on, come on! I need 2 teams. Sinong college ba ang very active? Come on! Ayan, tumatayo na yung gubat, oh. Tumatayo na yung ginubatan, oh. Sino kaya mauna? Come on! Eto na. Come on, come on! Mas maganda, 4 kayo from ginubatan. Come on! Sino pa? Una-una ka na lang. Eto, from Pulangi. Come on! Sige, bumawi kayo ngayon dahil wala kayo kanina. Come on, come on, come on! Meron na, be? Okay na. Nakatayo na sila. Mamaya na lang. Sila naman. Alright. Come on, dito po tayo. Eto. Kulang pa. Isa. Eto from BU Ginubatan and BU Pulangi. Sige. Come on, one line po tayo. Center po tayo. One line po tayo, everybody. One line. Okay. Isip kayo ng pangalan ng team ninyo. Okay, team ninyo. At magpapakilala kayo as one. Ready? Okay, dito tayo. Ready na? Anong pangalan ng... Dito po tayo, para makita po tayo. Anong pangalan ng team nyo?
Team Kalabaw.
Team Kalabaw. Bakit Team Kalabaw?
Agriculture.
Oh, pamalakpak ang mga taga BU Ginubatan! Oh, Team Kalabaw. Kayo?
Team Charmaine.
Team Charmaine. Bakit Team Charmaine?
Kasi orange. BU Pulangi, orange.
Orange. Sige. Orange na pala mga taga BU Pulangi. Okay, makinig po ang lahat. Bibigyan po namin kayo ng mga letra. Come on. Pasok. Rampa. Joe. Sayo dapat. Sumasayaw dapat. Sumasayaw dapat. Oh, Come on. Sige lang, DJ. Eme lang naman yun. Okay. Pakitandaan po ang mga letrang nasa inyong katawan. Pwede ba namin iting iusog? Okay, one line po tayo. One line, guys. Okay. Makinig po ang lahat. May mga katanungan ako. Gamit ang mga letrang yan, isasagot niyo po yung aking mga katanungan. And of course, ang una maka 5 points, siya po ang mananalo. Okay, ulitin ko lang ha. Ang una makapag 5 points, siya po ang mag-uwi ng ating pasabog na premyo. Okay? Kapag nabuo na ninyo ang sagutin nyo, itataas po natin ang dalawang kamay natin na Bicol University Alumni. Ready? Sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3, go! Alakasan po natin. Go! 1, 2, 3, go!
Bicol University Alumni.
Maluya ako yung team Kalabaw na ini. And 1, 2, 3, go!
Bicol University Alumni!
O bako nawara. Ito. From Team Charmaine. Go!
Bicol University Alumni.
Okay. First question. Makinig ang lahat. Kung ang chicken ay manok, ano naman ang duck? Duck. Go! Go! Siga. Baliktad. Baliktad po. Sigaw! Nauna. Ano, mairiwal pa ka mo dyan. Ano, pata? Wag po natin hawakan ang para di po masira. Okay, wag po natin hawakan, kamay lang po sa bewang. Okay, nauna po ang Team Charmaine, pero trial pa lang po 'yon. Trial pa lang po 'yon. Okay, trial. Kamay sa bewang. Kamay sa bewang, bawal po natin bawal hawakan ang ating mga letra. First question. Ito ay sinusuot kapag may baha. Go! Go! Sigaw! Congratulations, Team Charmaine! 1 point! Kaya pa? Wait lang. Harap ka, girl. Wait lang, wag ka galaw. Girl, harap ka. Basahin po natin. Oo. Ayusin nyo na, guys. Nakalive pa naman tayo. Yan. Next question. Nakakatakot. Bata nakalive tayo. Okay. Next question. Ito ay sinasabi ni Fernando Poe Jr. Isang blank ka lang. Go! Oh, sige guys. Oh, wag kang gagalaw. Sino po nauna? Congratulations sa Team Kalabaw! All one. Okay, next question. All one. Harap na, girl. Harap na. Yan. Ituloy ang kantang ito. Row, 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 you blank! Go! Congratulations! 2 points sa ating Team Charmaine. Grabe ha, bawi po tayo. Next question. Ito ay makikita sa loob ng CR. Ginagamit panligo. Go! Go! Ginagamit panligo. Sigaw! 3 points sa Team Charmaine! Grabe. Bawi po tayo, ha? Sisay Tibo. Sisay Tibo. Next question! Bawi po tayo. Focus lang. Close your eyes. Close your mouth. Okay. Ito ay isang uri ng pagkain. Crispy Blank! Go! Go! Sino na una? 4 points sa Team Charmaine! Palaban yung Biyo Pulangi. May chance pa kayo. Kaya pa?
Kaya.
Madaldalong ka kaya, Bi. Next question! That is 4-1. 4, 5, 6. Anong sunod dito? Go! Go! 2 points sa Team Kalabaw! In fairness. Next question. Ito ay isang kasabihan. Patay kang Blanca. Patay kang Blanca. Go! Patay kang bato ka. Hindi nga natin nahanap si Bato. Congratulations! 5 points! Thank you so much for joining. Alright, come on. Team Charmaine. Thank you so much for joining po. Bigyan po natin sila ng mga mini-fan. Bigyan po natin sila. Yan, may mga natitira pa tayong prizes dyan. Lapit po tayo sa ating mga coordinators. Congratulations! Plus cash prize. Benji Trabaho. 100,000. Nahihirapan ako. Jo, trabaho, Jo. Jo! Ano gusto mo sabihin?
Thank you, Bicol University Alumni Association.
Go. Go.
Thank you po, Bicol University Alumni.
100,000.
Thank you so much, BU General Alumni Homecoming.
Perfect. MC ka ba? Sige, sabi mo. Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, ladies. Kinakabahan pa siya. Congratulations, 100,000. And a souvenir. Anong gusto mo sabihin?
Thank you so much, BU Aro, and especially sa BU Pulangi family.
Anong gusto mo sabihin? All right, thank you so much. Everybody, at this point in time, let us bless the food before meal. That's the end of our morning program. Everybody, let us bless the food. Ayan, para pwede na po tayo kumain. All right? In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Bless us, O Lord, in this thy gifts, which we're about to receive from thy bounty through Christ our Lord. Our Lord. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Alright, maraming salamat po, Bicol University. Yan, dyan po nagtatapos po ang aking serbisyo. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kami po ang DJ Darren Coordination and Events. You can follow me on my social media. Hanapin nyo lamang po ang DJ Danrick. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. We are now signing up. Thank you so much, everybody. Ano sasabihin, guys? Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, everybody. Let's enjoy our lunch. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much, Sir BB. Kaway po tayo. Dali, ka-video po.